Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we embark on fascinating journeys through the natural world. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going to explore one of the most extraordinary creatures in the animal kingdom, the lyrebird. This bird is a master of mimicry, able to replicate an astonishing array of sounds, from other birds and animals to man-made noises like car alarms and camera shutters. The lyrebird's incredible ability to mimic its surroundings has fascinated humans for centuries. But what makes this species so significant in the natural world? The first written records of the lyrebird date back to the early 19th century, when European settlers arrived in Australia and encountered these remarkable birds. Since then, scientists have been studying the lyrebird's behavior, physiology, and ecology, and what they've discovered is nothing short of astonishing. From a scientific perspective, the lyrebird belongs to the family Mimicry and is native to eastern Australia. There are two main species, the superb lyrebird, Menura novahollandii, and the Albert's lyrebird, Menura alberti. These birds inhabit the dense, moist forests of the region, where they forage for insects, worms, and small invertebrates on the forest floor. One of the key researchers who contributed to our understanding of the lyrebird is Sir David Attenborough, who filmed these birds in their natural habitat for his groundbreaking documentary series, Life on Earth. As we delve deeper into the world of the lyrebird, we find that its remarkable mimicry abilities are not just limited to sounds. These birds have also been observed mimicking the movements and postures of other animals, such as snakes and lizards. In fact, studies have shown that lyrebirds can learn and reproduce a wide range of sounds, including those they've never heard before, by listening to recordings or observing other birds. This level of intelligence is rare in the bird world and has significant implications for our understanding of animal cognition. But the lyrebird's mimicry abilities are not just about entertainment, they also play a crucial role in its survival. By mimicking the calls of other birds, the lyrebird can warn potential competitors or predators to stay away from its territory. And by imitating the sounds of its environment, the lyrebird can create a kind of acoustic camouflage, making it harder for predators to locate it. For example, researchers have observed that lyrebirds will often mimic the sound of a babbling brook or a rustling leaf to conceal their own movements. In terms of ecological relationships, lyrebirds play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their forest ecosystem. As both predators and prey, they are an integral part of the food chain, helping to regulate populations of insects and small animals. Additionally, lyrebirds have been observed engaging in symbiotic relationships with other species, such as the Australian brush turkey, which shares its nesting sites with the lyrebird. In fact, studies have shown that lyrebirds will often form long-term pair bonds with their mates, working together to build complex nests and raise their young. Unfortunately, lyrebirds are facing numerous environmental challenges, including habitat destruction, fragmentation, and degradation. As a result, conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats. By supporting sustainable land use practices and reducing our carbon footprint, we can all play a role in preserving the natural world that lyrebirds inhabit. For example, organizations like the Australian Wildlife Conservancy are working to restore and protect critical habitat for lyrebirds, while also educating the public about the importance of conservation. In a world where humans are increasingly disconnected from nature, the lyrebird serves as a powerful symbol of the beauty and complexity that awaits us just outside our doors. In fact, recent research has shown that lyrebirds are not just limited to mimicking sounds, they also have a unique ability to recognize individual members of their species based on unique vocal characteristics. This level of social recognition is rare in the bird world, and highlights the complex social dynamics at play in lyrebird communities. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.